Hi guys, and welcome back to Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today you are going to be seeing how my son loves to enjoy his ice cream sandwiches. If you know me, you know that I'm a chocolate chip cookie girl. I will eat that all day, all night. Put some ice cream in between and you have the best ice cream sandwiches. My son, on the other hand, does not. He loves chocolate chip cookies, but not when it comes to ice cream. He actually prefers sprinkles on his cookies. So today we are going to show you how my son enjoys his ice cream sandwiches because they are pretty fantastic. So let's get started.